Here's how to scrape Skyscanner Flights without any coding knowledge. For this, we'll use the Skyscanner scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Flights. As you can see, we extracted the flights in this list. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page. Then, scrape the data again. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Customize Fields. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. After exporting, here is our new customized data.